Hi, this is Con.
Hey, this is Plastic Soul, and we go by the name Deadbeats.
You are watching Function.
I've been playing vinyl since 2013. It was around June, so now it's about 3 years been playing vinyl.
2003, I started hip-hop. I was collecting, but I wasn't playing back then, right? Then I started collecting house records back in, let me just say I have 4 years playing deep house records. Yeah. I mean, personally, something I grew up on, you see. I don't know, umuntu odlala i-CD. Yabona ukuthi linjani CD, or is it nice playing on CD or what? Mina personally, endlini vele sikhule simamela ama records, yabona. And that kumnandi nje, yabona. I-record for mina. Like into the owner, you know, you have ownership. It's not easily accessible, but like for me, since back in the past, we had records in the, I don't know for somebody else totally digitally crossing over to vinyl, but personally, it's handling records. It's the quality, my brother. Yeah.
All right, I used to play digital, then I can't say I converted to records, but now I'm playing records. So I like the style of play and the format of the sound that it has. That's what I love in records.
Yeah. MP3 is a very low quality. Very, very low. As in compared to a record. The record is wave. Right?
Wave sound.
It's wave sound. And the sound the wave, you know.
So Akiriko, it's like MP3, it's like it's been like, what you call it? Buying the PC, so like the sound.
Yeah, compression.
The sound has been compressed. Like on record, you're getting the whole thing, like the wave sound, not the compressed sound. That's the difference.
Yeah. Personally, as I said, right, I come from a family of collectors, right? My dad used to collect vinyl back in the day. Koino, whatever, buying records from there. I just love that feeling, as in save your money, you're taking a record. Lenton I own. The ownership, I own it forever. You know, MP3, CD player, CD lami scratch or computer yami crash, music wa but like on a vinyl, I will always have it in Panagit. No me having a scratch a bit, but I can still play it here and there. Ownership, I own my music. My music is mine. No more we are tour or anything, but my music is mine.
Vinyl, it's more like a feeling.
Yeah.
To me, it's more than a feeling. That's why I like vinyl.
Yeah, it's a feeling. Yeah, that's why njengoba besikhuluma, at first I was saying, mina personally, anginankinga nomuntu odlala i-CD, right? I don't have a problem nomuntu odlala i-CD with MP3. I don't have a problem with a person that plays the CD in a wave format. But mina personally, ngithandela ama records, ngiyangithola. Ngibe no ownership, ngibe nalo endlini, you know? Kanjalo nje. Hey, ndoda, hey, I go everywhere for my music, ngiyangithola. Like, let's not get it wrong, right? Uyabona bangathi manje the vinyl is back. Bangakhohlisi mfana kithi. I-record kudala was produced in high quantities. I'm not saying manje but producer in low quantities, but anyeke kufana nakudala, because you remember kudala i-record ama-vinyl player boku-fashion, uyangithola. So now abantu ababhaya don't own ama-record player, right? Abantu ababhaya music mostly abantu, or maybe let's take thina soyithusi now ama-vinyl players wethu. That's why it's saying I'm a record. Abanye abantu bathenga music because uyo DJ ngawo. You understand, DJ maybe udlala once a month. You understand? But personally, it's not hard to get music because maningi ama-shop athenga music. And mostly suthenga online music wethu. There is cats in the city that sell music. Everyone knows. We here at Vinyl Joint, they do have records there, you know? Just the problem, sometimes imali. But personally, ngathini mina angimanamani ngitheng. I only buy that which I love, yabo. Maybe 5 records in a month, there will be maybe 1,002, 1,003. You understand? Budget lo mali ngithenga music. Music uhlala ukhona mfana. Bangakhohlisi ukuthi ama-plants like abasakhona ukuyenza as much. Music ukhona uzohlala uyenza. You understand? Regardless ukuthi what age are we in. Personally, uthini
Marinjalo vele. It's not that hard to solely record because baba abantu abathengisa sama record abanye bathengisa sama record mabhuthini abanye is vinyl joint abanye they have Facebook pages where they sell their old stuff abanye they buy stuff from outside they buy online and they sell inside so it's not hard getting records
abanye futhi bathengisa sama records ewakudala you know
they don't need them anymore
love sound yakudala personally speaking baningi abantu abathanda sound yakudala you understand most of the people I know that have records these people that bought those records 7 years 6 years 5 years ago we understand abanye abantu abakhona ukuthenga ama record manje singakhulumi namanga yadura record bafowethu you understand ledura we're not saying sinemali or anything khona izinto esizincintsha zona to be able to buy that but akhona ama record maningi
as long unemali you'll get the record bro.
Yeah if you want to get it you'll get it yeah for me personally I prefer ukuthi ngithenge records because ngichoose ukuplaya nge-records i-choice don't get me wrong it's choice ngithenge record because of choice and because of ngithanda the quality I love the quality so much you understand uyabona bafo it's explain a little something uyabona the vinyl culture is not for rich people ne
it's not a matter of money
mostly America mostly abantwana abancane like back in the day bebathatha imali yokukhera bathenga ama records you understand so this culture is not a culture for rich people uyabona even namanje sithenga ama record because siya save you understand not saying sinemali no it's not a culture
the little that you have you save no bangathi record is 200 you save 50 rand you end up getting that vinyl
Espanini angidli sometimes uyabona ngonde kanjani sometimes I don't eat for 2 weeks uyangithola ngidle lezi zinto ezicheap wena ongazidli in order ukuthi ngithole lo ya Akmael or lo ya Lodeman uyangithola ikanjani
at the end of the day it's called preference omunye yena angaprefer ukuthi angalithengi lelo record download le ngoma lethina prefer ukuthi sibe nale record
omunye I download pirate I share pirate style uyangithola I download madala sites but mina okay ngaziyenza holy like I don't everybody has pirated music right computer yami ikhona music engudlalayo in MP3 format in WAV format but personally ngifuna i-record mangiyodlala ngikhipha i-record lami sound record is of high quality we have seen it we've went to places personally nje i-record lisounda kamnandi